Okay, I'm gonna go to school and jump. 3. Wait, not a 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, we've got a
I'm flying and I'm looking at them.
Anong minessage ko siya kanina?
What did I just do that? No, okay. What did I just do?
Dito nakikita ko yung mga comment mo sa YouTube, ha? Oh, like that. Yeah, you speak Philippines. Kasi ginarig siya Tagalog. Yun. Kaso mali-spell niya speak. SPE. Maganda na yun. Diba? Saka magalang. Tagalog pala eh. Oh, you speak Philippines?